Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Just imagine double chocolate chip cookies made without maida, without wheat flour and without refined sugar. Simply start by melting butter until brown, then add jaggery along with khan and whisk until it looks like this. Next, combine curd and vanilla extract. Now in goes jawar flour, cocoa powder, baking powder and baking soda. Then add dark chocolate chunks and make a soft dough. Divide in equal portions, flatten them a little just as shown. Now bake and get ready to dig in. If you are in a hurry and want to make a quick and easy dessert, then these ragi chocolate pancakes will come to your rescue. Simply start by combining lemon juice in milk and set it aside for 5 minutes. Now sift in ragi flour, cocoa powder and whole wheat flour along with baking powder and baking soda. In goes jaggery powder, oil and buttermilk we just made. Please do not skip vanilla. A final stir to get a batter like this. On a greased pan, pour some batter and when you see bubbles like this, flip and cook again. Your ragi pancakes are ready. This is high time you stop purchasing sugary chocolate drinks for your kids or for yourself because you can make a way better alternative at home and store for up to a month. Start by dry roasting makhana, oats and ragi flour until makhanas become crispy like this. Let it cool down completely. Then in the same pan, dry roast almonds, walnuts, cashews and pistachios on low flame for 5 to 7 minutes. Now transfer makhana mixture and cooled nuts in a mixer jar and pulse to get fine powder. Then sift along with cocoa powder and milk powder to remove any lumps. Now combine the homemade Bournvita with any sweetener of your choice, add hot milk and your high protein chocolate drink is ready to consume every day.
Do you know what this is?
Because we are making softest mini cakes which have no gluten, no refined sugar and made without oven. Start by washing the kodo millet and then soak for 1 to 2 hours. Then add to the mixer jar along with rice flour, jaggery powder, coconut flakes and 1 banana. Grind to make a fine paste just like this. At the end, add cardamom powder and baking soda and cook in paniyaram pan with some ghee until cooked through and dig in. You will not be able to guess what is this dessert made of. It's so easy to make and is gut friendly too. Simply start by washing barnyard millet or samak rice 2 to 3 times. Then melt jaggery in some water just until you see bubbles forming and immediately take off heat. Now in another pan, let the milk come to a boil. Then add the barnyard millet and cook until it thickens. Let it cool down completely before adding the jaggery syrup we just made, else milk could curdle. Chill it before serving and enjoy. These are no yeast, no gluten, no sugar and diabetic friendly burger buns which are even good for digestion. Start by washing masoor dal and urad dal 4 to 5 times, then soak for at least 1 hour. Now add to the mixer jar along with yogurt, salt, lemon juice, oil and psyllium husk to make a fine paste. At the end, add baking soda and shape them in buns. Sprinkle mixed seeds on top and bake for 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees. Now assemble these fiber-rich dal buns as you like and enjoy. Can you believe that this crispy and crunchy dessert is actually 100% gluten-free brownie? So let's make ragi brownie brittles. Start by melting dark chocolate in butter, then sift in ragi flour, cocoa powder, desi khan along with baking powder and salt. Now add hot water to make a lump-free batter and spread it evenly on silicone mat. Now top with walnuts, bake at 150 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes and enjoy these healthier brownie brittles.
तो आप इस रेसिपी को जरूर ट्राई कीजिए एंड इफ यू डू शेयर पिक्चर्स विद मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड टैग बोल्ड बेकिंग नेशन. I'll see you next time. Till then, bake bold and live sweet.